Hey lovebirds! Are you ready to spice up your date night with a culinary adventure? Tonight, I've got the perfect recipe for a spicy, romantic date night that will tantalize your taste buds and bring you closer together. We're cooking up a spicy blackberry pork loin, fiery baked pepper mac and cheese, and a spicy mango chipotle kale salad. These dishes are not only delicious, but also fun to make together. Let's dive in and get started on this culinary journey. First, let's tackle the spicy blackberry pork loin. This dish is the star of the show and will surely impress your date. You'll need a pork loin, blackberry jam, Worcestershire sauce, garlic, and some spices. The combination of sweet and spicy flavors will make this dish unforgettable. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the perfect temperature to ensure your pork loin cooks evenly and stays juicy. In a bowl, mix your blackberry jam, Worcestershire sauce, minced garlic, paprika, and a pinch of cayenne. This marinade will give your pork loin a rich, complex flavor. Rub this sweet and spicy mixture all over your pork loin. Make sure it's evenly coated for maximum flavor. Place it in a roasting pan and pop it in the oven for about 45 minutes. The aroma will fill your kitchen and set the mood for a romantic evening. You'll know it's done when it reaches an internal temp of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your pork is perfectly cooked and safe to eat. While that's roasting, let's whip up our fiery baked pepper mac and cheese. This dish adds a comforting, cheesy element to our meal. You'll need elbow macaroni, bell peppers, cheddar cheese, milk, and some spices. The bell peppers add a nice crunch and a pop of color. Cook your macaroni according to the package instructions. Make sure it's al dente so it holds up well in the oven. In a saucepan, melt some butter and whisk in flour to make a roux. This will be the base of our creamy cheese sauce. Gradually add milk and keep whisking until it thickens. This step is crucial for a smooth, velvety sauce. Stir in shredded cheddar cheese and diced bell peppers. The cheese will melt into the sauce, creating a rich, cheesy goodness. Add a touch of chili powder for that extra kick. This will give your mac and cheese a spicy twist. Combine the cheese sauce with the macaroni and transfer to a baking dish. Make sure it's evenly mixed for the best flavor. Top with more cheese and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes until bubbly and golden. The cheese on top will create a delicious, crispy crust. Now, for the spicy mango chipotle kale salad. This salad is a refreshing and spicy complement to our main dishes. You'll need fresh kale, mango, chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, lime juice, and honey. The mango adds a sweet contrast to the spicy chipotle. In a blender, mix chipotle peppers, lime juice, honey, and a bit of olive oil to create a smoky, sweet dressing. This dressing will tie all the flavors together. Massage your kale with a little olive oil to soften it up. This makes the kale more tender and easier to eat. Toss in diced mango and drizzle with your chipotle dressing. The combination of sweet and spicy will make this salad a standout. Give it a good mix and you're done. This salad is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Alright, let's put it all together. Presentation is key, so take your time to plate everything beautifully. Slice your juicy pork loin and serve it alongside the fiery mac and cheese and the vibrant kale salad. The colors and flavors will make your plate look and taste amazing. This meal is a perfect balance of sweet, spicy, and savory flavors. Each dish complements the others, creating a harmonious dining experience. So, light some candles, pour a glass of wine, and enjoy this date night delight with your special someone. The ambiance will make the evening even more special. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Bon appétit! We hope this meal brings you closer and makes your date night unforgettable.